Here we have some Hotel Chocolat, British cacao, I can't grower. The 10-second dunking biscuit selection box. Chocolat, baked pecan, dark chocolate and sour cherry. Orange, pistachio and cardamom. And cinnamon, almond and cocoa, sorry. Let's see what we've got then. What does it say? It says, sliced extra thick, then twice baked to withstand a full 10-second dunk in your hot chocolate or latte. Here's what they look like. Okay, we're not going to do all these in one session. Let's see what we get first. Out of the box, I got two. What have we got? We've got baked pecan. Okay, let's see what this is like. Reddish, like, for want of a better description. Let's see what it tastes like. Yeah, it's very thick biscuit. Yeah, is it? Yeah. Yeah, I can taste biscuit. Bit of a kind of similar to bread, but no, it's definitely biscuit. It's definitely biscuit. Let's see what it dunks like, since it says it's dunking. Do, 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 do. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Apparently, it should do 10 seconds. That's very nice. Oh. Taste the nuts in it and taste, yeah, it's like a biscuit.